Join me, Terry Bradshaw, as I explore all that's new and exciting about the USA and Canada and what people are doing in order to make a difference. It's an easy way to see what's happening across your own country. Welcome to Today in America. Technology that helps us do things better, faster, and more efficiently is emerging all the time. Here's something new that could potentially improve our lives.
With laying concrete, large cement trucks and slip form pavers are usually called upon to do the job. However, when it comes to laying cement in tight spots and hard-to-see places, the work is often performed by hand. Although hand-forming curbs and gutters has been a long-standing practice, crews have always found it difficult, uneconomical, and time-consuming to do so.
You get a couple people doing it by hand, you'll always get different shapes. With the curb roller, you get a perfectly uniform curb in half the time.
As the only roller screed built solely for curbs, the curb roller presents a totally new concept in concrete. The curb roller not only greatly reduces the need for skilled labor, it also enhances the uniformity of the finished product. The machine was designed by Al Armstrong and Michael Goodman, two concrete contractors who, after an exhausting summer day of forming curbs by hand, decided there had to be a better way.
We had a bottle in our hand, or I did, and I started spinning that bottle. Well, that bottle kind of had the shape of a curb and gutter. I went home and thought, maybe I can make one of them. And I started messing around with it. And time went on, we took it out one day and tried it. And we could see that it was going to work.
Ideal for small areas and tight radiuses, the curb roller has become indispensable for small contractors as well as slip form pavers. Powered by motor, the roller screeds off the surplus concrete and evens the surface as it gets pulled between guide rails containing the concrete. The continuous rotation compacts the concrete while bringing fat up to the surface to facilitate the finishing operation. Forms are still set the normal way by hand using wood, metal, or masonite. The same process is used in hand forming, except an extra form called a face form is set, allowing only the amount the crew can handle to be poured. The curb roller, however, eliminates this face form.
With a 5-man crew, you can take the curb roller and you can lay down 900 foot a day pretty easy. Doing it by hand, you could probably do 300 foot a day. Well, this enables you to do 3 times as much with the same amount of guys.
Once crews have been properly trained in the operation and maintenance of the curb roller, they are ready to produce an impressively high-quality curb and gutter. Generally, operators wear a belt so that they can simply lean back and let their body do the work for them. The machine spins in the opposite direction it's pulled, piling the excess concrete in front toward the operator. A raker follows to clean out the excess and fill in the low spots.
It comes with the flow control so that they can plug it into any machine that they've really got on the job site, like a skid loader or excavator or wheel loader. Yeah, they can use their power pack, but yeah, it has to come with the flow control.
My experience with the curb roller has been it provides me 3 things: mobility, efficiency, and a high-quality finish. And in today's down recession, it's a necessity to keep my company alive.
The curb roller can also be used to replace existing curbs and gutters with minimal damage to guards. The company claims that with 5 interchangeable drums as well as custom drums, workers are equipped to do several different styles of curbs. A drum designs button allows operators to view the shapes available.
It used to be when guys were pouring curb and gutter by hand, they just didn't want to show up, and the curb rollers just made it a lot easier for them.
I think Curb Roller's goal is to have more dealers on the West Coast, more dealers on the East Coast. We're big here in the Midwest. We'd like to get some more overseas sales. We would like to see a curb roller in the back of every contractor's pickup.